Okay, let's get it. All right, guys, today I'm going to be going over Voyager Bankruptcy. Okay, they became the second exchange to file for bankruptcy in the last 3 days with 3Ls Capital leading the way. So we're going to get into that, and we also get into some crypto news that we need to know about. Let's get it. All right, guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Rod the Water God. I give you up-to-date information on finance, news, and passive income you need to know about. So if you like hearing information like that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right. So, guys, let's get right into it. Voyager, as I've been saying on my channel, they was at risk, before they paused withdrawals. I called it out on Celsius the day before. I called it out on Voyager. I even said BlockFi could be next. Okay. So Voyager, they just filed for bankruptcy. Okay. So it's 3Ls Capital. Big players in the crypto field. So they just filed for bankruptcy, and let's get into the stats, okay? The U.S. headquartered firm and its two affiliates said in a Chapter 11 bankruptcy filing in the Southern District of New York that it had between $1 billion and $10 billion in assets and over 100,000 creditors. So they said they had between 1 billion and 10 billion in assets and over 100,000 creditors. So they don't have the money to give out to anybody who left money on their exchange. Probably the same thing like Celsius Network, man. It's like, hey, we got to take your money because somebody didn't pay us, so we ain't paying you. It's like a trickle-down effect. Sucks for the investors, okay? Voyager Digital owed $75 million to Sam Bankman-Fried Alameda Research, which recently threw the broker a lifeline of $485 million and about $960,000 to Google. It disclosed the filing. Voyager did not name other firms to whom it owes money. So, like I said on this channel, guys, you got to make sure you have your own wallet, okay, that you have control of. I have a link for a Trezor wallet in the descriptions. Make sure you get that so you don't have to be worried about this news and losing money like a lot of people are doing, okay? Is this bad for crypto? Yes. Is this the end for crypto? No, okay? There's going to be a lot of exchanges. There's going to be, and I told you guys, if you check my recent videos, I said there's a big attack on liquidity. So I think that I think that Voyager is going to probably sell out to somebody for a little bit of money. And that company sees that they used to have all of these assets, all of this money, and now they're going for dirt cheap. So when Bitcoin or the prices go back up to a bull market, this will probably do good. So there's big time investors and big whales that's looking at these crypto platforms and they want to get in. Okay. So my advice to you is get a wallet where you can have all the keys to it so you can, have control over your crypto. There's a link in the description, guys. All right. So next, guys, I'm going to get into some crypto news. A crypto miner, Core Scientific, dumps 165 million Bitcoin to enhance liquidity. Could this mean we could be looking for another dump down to 20,000? Now, I feel anything below 20,000 is a good buy for Bitcoin right now. It's a good time to be dollar cost averaging in on Bitcoin, any price under 20,000. Okay, so I don't think this will affect the market. A lot of big whales have been buying Bitcoin, and I think they'll continue to keep buying it because they shook out the market. The market is kind of shook out. A lot of people are like, I'm so done with crypto because they're seeing all of this pain. But whenever there's pain, it's a lot of gain, okay? So another news I want to touch on, guys, is that the government, okay, they were trying to file a digital coin. They were trying to file a digital coin or come up with a coin a digital reserve, which they haven't came to that as of yet. So that's a good thing for crypto, because I think if they get involved with regulation and they say, okay, don't use USDC, don't use none of these coins. Here, we have one for you. Here it is. This is what you use. I wouldn't like that because I think it's going to be more controlled. And so I was kind of excited that here it is. Still no plan for U.S. central bank digital currency after the latest Fed meeting. So they had a Fed meeting. They didn't come across with a central bank digital currency. I think if they do, we have to look at the stipulations because, you know, it could be tied to a lot of different things that doesn't make crypto anymore. So other news in crypto, guys, is the prices, okay? Bitcoin is still at the 20,000. Ethereum is coming up at 1,139. It's just staying steady at this pace right now. So I think this is a bear market and it's a good time to dollar cost average in, as I'm telling everybody. But make sure you have your wallet. You don't want to keep no money on these exchanges, all right? I got a link to the Trezor wallet. Guys, there's a lot of spam that's in my comments. So if you see, you know, I never ask you for any money or I never tell you to send me any money, okay? I just drop these videos and just give you information. So if you see any of that in the comments, disregard it, all right? And guys, let me know your thoughts on what do you think the U.S. Treasury would do if they made their own digital currency? What do you think that's going to do to the market? What do you think that's going to do to the dollar? Will the dollar just die out? All right. So, guys, let me know what you think. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.